This, that, these, those. Let's learn and sing. Here we go.
This is near, we use this.
That is far. Remember that.
More than one?
Use these and those.
Come on, friends.
Let's learn fast. This is a cat.
This is a cat.
This is a dog.
This is a dog.
This is a teacher.
This is a teacher.
This is a student.
This is a student.
That is a car.
That is a car.
That is a school.
That is a school.
That is a park.
That is a park.
That is a house.
That is a house. This is near. Come and see.
That is far.
Over there. These are many. Close to me.
Those are many.
Far away. This.
That. These. Those.
Point and learn.
Now you know. These are cats.
These are cats.
These are dogs.
These are dogs.
These are books.
These are books.
These are pens.
These are pens.
Those are cars.
Those are cars.
Those are trees.
Those are trees.
Those are chairs.
Those are chairs.
Those are bags.
Those are bags. This is near. Come and see.
That is far.
Over there. These are many. Close to me.
Those are many.
Far away. This.
That. These. Those.
Sing again.
Now you know.
This is a boy.
This is a boy.
That is a girl.
That is a girl.
These are flowers.
These are flowers.
Those are birds.
Those are birds.
This is a market.
This is a market.
That is a temple.
That is a temple.
These are eggs.
These are eggs.
Those are planes.
Those are planes. Point to something near.
Say this.
Point to something far.
Say that.
More than one?
Say these.
Far away?
Say those.
Let's try again. Nice and loud.
You're learning well.
We're so proud.
This is near. Come and see.
That is far.
Over there. These are many. Close to me.
Those are many.
Everywhere. This.
That. These. Those.
Now it's easy.
Yes, you know.
We learned words to point today.
Near and far in a